Que lo que mi gente, welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. Let's go over the ingredients. I am using bean soup mixed dry beans. You can use any type of beans. You could use black, white, red beans, pinto beans, any kind of beans is fine. You want to put your beans in a bowl, soak them in water overnight or for a few hours. I put the beans overnight last night in water, and they're nice and hydrated again. Here we have 1 large onion, 3 carrots, 2 celery stems, 2 sweet red peppers, 1 small potato. I have 2 sofrito cubes right here. We're gonna saute our sofrito in olive oil. I have a recipe on how to make sofrito. I'll make sure that I'll put it in the description down below. We need some black pepper, sazon, 2 bay leaves, 1 cup of tomato sauce. I have 2 cups of ham, and one thing that is optional is hot sauce, sriracha. This is my favorite hot sauce. All these ingredients are going to be listed down below, and also step-by-step instructions on how to put the whole dish together. Right now I have my Instant Pot on saute. Once the pot is nice and hot, I am going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil, and my 2 sofrito cubes are going to be sauteed first to get all that flavor out of all the spices. Once that's done, everything else is going to go in. And I just got the Instant Pot, so this is my first time using it, so let's see how it turns out. I'm praying that it's good, so stay tuned. So our Instant Pot says that it's hot, so let's put some olive oil. That's good. Let's put in our 2 cubes of sofrito. I love sofrito. There you go. And we're going to saute the sofrito. The sofrito has been sauteing for a couple of minutes now. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of water. And all my ingredients can go in at this point. Once the soup is done, I'll check the salt. If I need more salt, I just add a little bit, and I'm going to put in a little bit of hot sauce once the soup is done. Now that all the ingredients are in, all we have to do is cover the Instant Pot. So we close the Instant Pot, change the setting from saute to soup, and it automatically sets the soup to 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes our soup will be ready. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Bye. Hey guys, our ham and bean soup cooked for 30 minutes. The Instant Pot just beat, letting me know that it's done. Now we have to let some of that pressure air out. There we go. So you want to let all the air out of the pressure cooker out before you go ahead and open it. Remember, safety first. Well, I think it's perfect. Using hot sauce. Oh yeah, that is perfect. That is delicious. Let's just put a little bit of hot sauce. A cake. That's good. This is our soup. It was done in 30 minutes. Smells delicious and it tastes even better. I guarantee that. And there you have it, a perfect soup made in a few minutes. I'm going to enjoy this soup now. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the recipes and see you guys next time. Bye. This is so good.